Make cheesy garlic Parmesan chicken wings in the air fryer or bake them in the oven. It's so easy to make these garlic Parmesan wings. I'm going to take you in the kitchen and show you step by step how to make them and enjoy them with a really cheesy garlic sauce. Let's do it. The garlic Parmesan dry rub for chicken wings is super simple. So all you need to do is make sure you pat them dry and then season them with some garlic powder and salt. If you're baking them, you'll also need some baking powder. To air fry the wings, you're gonna air fry them 3 times, and you can find the exact increments at sipbytego.com. It's at 375 at first and then 400 degrees to finish it. And to bake them, you can also find all the details at sipbytego.com. I'm just going to run you through it quickly. You do need to add baking powder to dry out the chicken wings, and then you bake them 3 times for 20 minutes each, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. And then it's time to make the delicious garlic Parmesan chicken wing sauce. So to do this, you melt some olive oil, butter, and garlic that you saute for about 3 minutes in a pan on medium heat. Once that garlic is nice and fragrant, it's time to add in the Parmesan cheese, but make sure to reduce the heat to low. So let that Parmesan cheese mix in with some Italian seasoning, some red pepper flakes, and some salt and pepper. And once that is all melted together, give it a little stir, and then it's time to take it off of the heat. So take your crispy garlic Parmesan chicken wings, put them in a large bowl, and then pour over that delicious garlic butter with olive oil and all those Italian seasonings and Parmesan. It's so good. And make sure to toss the wings around in the sauce to coat them evenly. And then you're ready to plate. Don't forget to add some fresh parsley. Alright, so now for plating, I like to warm up some Alfredo sauce. You could use store-bought Alfredo sauce, or you could use my white sauce recipe at sipbytego.com. And then I just put on some extra Parmesan cheese on top, some fresh chopped parsley, and then these garlic Parmesan chicken wings are ready to go. You have to check out my recipe for cheesy wrapped hot dog tortillas. They're basically like hot dog taquitos, and you can air fry them or bake them. I'll show you both ways to do that. Check out the recipe at sipbytego.com or at the SipByteGo YouTube channel. And for more delicious recipes that are easy to make sure to subscribe to SipByteGo on YouTube. Well, you should have all the kitchen confidence you need to make these delicious garlic Parmesan chicken wings at home. I hope you enjoy your delicious gourmet wings. Make sure to give a like if you learned something from this video, and until next time, have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!